Mr. Weprin, the comptroller and the mayor, as you know, are jointly responsible for approving all issuance of new borrowings and refinancings in the city. How will you decide whether we have too much debt? How much debt is too much? And if we are over borrowing, what changes would you recommend in our capital plan to reduce the amount of borrowing?
Oh, absolutely. I would look to do more pay-as-you-go capital. Obviously, that's a good thing to do. I would also look to do more refundings of existing bond issues. We still are at historically low interest rates. I think there's constantly room to refund existing bond issues at lower rates, which obviously will save the city a lot of money in debt service, something the city has done. Obviously, monitoring the financial markets, they've changed. Most bond issues, at least in the last year and a half or so, have been retail-driven, and that obviously affects the structure of different bond issues. We should be looking at more frequent bond issues, probably smaller size, rather than the multi-billion-dollar issues that the city often did in the past. So, obviously it depends on what the markets are, but pay-as-you-go capital is always good, as well as doing refundings of existing bond issues to save the city money.
Mr. Yasky.
Well, look, I am concerned that we already are overborrowed, as to use your word. This is not the time. This moment is not the time to cut back because we'd be working against what the federal government is trying to do with its stimulus funding. And when you look at what's happened in the construction industry throughout the city, I mean, we have 15 stopped construction sites just in the council district I represent now. So we really are at risk of having the construction industry kind of grind to a halt. I think it's the city's own capital program is an important counterbalance at this moment. But as we come out of the woods, we're going to have to gradually reduce our annual borrowing so we get the overall debt level under control.
Thank you. Ms. Katz?
Well, clearly you need to get it under control. I think there's about $57 billion of debt right now. Since January, according to the figures we can find, we've issued about $6 to $8 billion of debt since January. But at the end of the day, I think what Councilman Yasky is saying is correct. We have holes in the ground all over the city. We need to get people moving, and we need to keep people working. And the truth is, anytime you do have a hole in the ground, it doesn't help the community, nevertheless help the budget of the city of New York. So clearly we need to rein in costs. We need to rein in how much debt service that we are spending every single year. But I think we need to do that project by project. Thank you. Trying to be quick. 30 seconds.
It's tough.
Like that.
It's fast. The comptroller does work with the mayor's office to issue the bonds, but the comptroller doesn't have a direct hand in setting the debt limit for the city of New York. In terms of borrowing money, I am in favor, and I put out a plan that talks about using the Build America bonds that are only available until the end of next year that would really take advantage of the tax status at the expense of the federal government, but certainly good for us here in New York City. As comptroller, I would help the capital situation and the borrowing situation by changing some of the practices that still exist today, where capital funding is used for what essentially is expense. Maybe not annual expense, but expense that really has an amortization period of no more than 2 or 3 years.